We promise it's gonna be worth the wait.
Kahit saan naman, ito naman.
Hello, Nicole Palmamatura.
Lloydie, Miss Sarah, may drama na tayo tuwing vlog ko para mas intimate, nag-i-introduce sila, at saka yung mga vlogs nila kung saan sila nagsusulat. Let's start with the gentleman right there.
I'm Richard from Dine Heart TV.
Richard, and then?
Hi, I'm Morgan.
Of?
Supermorgan.com.
Alright, and
Hello,
please?
I'm Ning of Ning4U.blogspot.com.
Jing Javier, Amazing Jing for Life.blogspot.com.
Angie, Mami's Maglife, blogspot.com.
Okay.
Madeline po, ng Mommy and Family, blogspot.
Again, Mommy and Family, ano?
Mommy and Family, blogspot.
Taray, Mommy and Family. Of course,
Hi,
Miss
I'm
G.
Mami Jo from JoBoySol.net.
Alright, next please.
I'm Gracie from itsmegracie.blogspot.com.
Alright.
Hello, I'm Justin from puertototo.blogspot.com.
Oh. Next please. Doon.
Ayun si Axel.
Okay.
I'm Axel Powerhouse.
Powerhouse, Axel Powerhouse.
I'm JR Bustamante, jrbustamante.blogspot.com.
Nice.
And I'm Christoph from the metroarchive.blogspot.com and within Manila.
Okay. So, ito masaya to kasi medyo intimate, pero let's limit lang about the movie and the characters. Ayan. And the history of Lyda and Miggy. Who'd like to ask the first question? Or siguro pabatiin muna natin si Lyda. Miss Sarah, please.
Good afternoon po. Thank you po at taking the time na makasama po kami ngayon para po sa promotion ng Take sa Manner Woman. Sana po, supportahan rin natin.
Yeah, sorry, alam ko naghintay kayo. Galing kami sa SIR interview. It took a longer than
I know, medyo dapat 3 tapos na, pero ito, medyo
naghintay din kasi kami. Oo, naghintay din kami.
forgiven dahil
Pasensya na po for to have kept you waiting. Pero nakakain naman.
Correct.
Naingit nga kami.
Okay, sige, let's start. Who'd like to ask the first question? Ate Mami Jo, go.
Hi, both of you. Siguro kasi it's your third time for the movie, no? Kung sakaling bibigyan kayo ng choice, kung i-offer kayo ng ibang genre, it's not a romantic comedy. Would you be willing to work together again?
That would be interesting to consider. Kasi ako inisip ko, ano bang susunod for me and Sarah? Parang, rom-com ba ulit? Or, hindi ko alam eh. And it keeps me wondering. So, mas exciting siya. So, when something keeps you guessing, so, para sa akin, mas exciting. So, I'm looking forward kung ano man yung may isip ng star or ng Viva para sa aming dalawa. But to answer the question directly, I'm willing to try anything as long as it's with Sarah.
Bago sumagot si Sarah, let's all welcome our director, Carmi Raimundo, the creator of the characters and the story. Halika, Miss Direct, please. Another chair for Miss Carmi, please. Ayan. Okay, pabatiin muna natin bago sumagot si Miss Sarah. Direct, happy ka naman sa mga top vloggers natin, please.
Hello, first time ko to. Ano ba ginagawa dito?
Pero press ko din, wala lang intriga. Hindi lang sila mahilig mang intriga. So, mas ano
good,
to.
good, good. Okay.
Miss Carmi.
Hello, good afternoon po.
Okay. Miss Sarah, it's your turn.
Yun yung inaabangan ko.
Init eh.
To look forward.
Oo, yun yung inaabangan ko sa aming dalawa. Kasi syempre tumatanda na rin kami. At ako, personally gusto kong mag-grow as an actor, as an actress. At wala akong naiisip na ibang leading man na gagawin yun.
Meron pa bang Seiko?
Kasi wala na.
Hindi kasi. Baka naman, uprod po sa akin.
Okay.
Concept.
Next question, please.
Concept.
Ayan, si
To
Christoph.
John Lloyd. In the trailer, we saw how
Laida's character was so different. So in Miggy's part, what are the differences between the Miggy before and the Miggy now?
Wala.
Has Miggy like changed or same?
Malaki. Hindi lang siguro evident dun sa trailer. But actually, kaya nagkaroon ng part 3. Malaking dahilan is kung bakit. Dahil ano siya to the rescue to the rescue si Laida as always sa kanyang love of her life. And kung ano man, siguro okay naman sabihin direct.
Kung mas Miggy 0.5.
Parang sumuko na lang siya. Naging indifferent. So malaking, di ba, coming from You Changed My Life na ganda-ganda na tapos. So
Ay, babati
Ay,
lang.
ay,
Managing
ay,
Director,
mga
Tita
vloggers natin.
Matu. Yun lang nasabi naman lang.
Ikaw, iyak na tayo.
Breakdown!
Breakdown na ako. Sabi mo, maganda eh.
Hindi sinabi niya na kay Sarah.
Pinatemoan po ako.
intimate daw po eh.
Thank you.
What was the question again? Did he answer na? He did na.
And to Sarah naman, we saw in the trailer how different you portrayed Laida. So, who was your inspiration, or what is your inspiration behind that to pull that character off? Because I believe so that you, in personal life, you're like very formal, but on that movie, you really like push the boundaries. So, what and who is your inspiration? Do you have an actress, or have you watched any like movies? Or
All out English, ano?
Kaya mo yun, Laida.
Parang ako mismo. Go Stars!
I am.
Oh my God!
I might
Oh,
have
why?
inspiration.
Why?
Hindi, sobrang ko naka-identify sa character ko. Sabi ni Direk Cathy, matagal kami hindi nagkasama, nakatulong yun sa growth namin. As a person, at as Laida, sinasabi ko na nga na parang si Laida at si Sarah iisa na lang eh. Yung pagiging braver at bolder at fiercer niya. Parang si Sarah din yun. Yun nga lang, si Laida, ha? Oo, nakawig.
Thank you.
Okay. Next, go ahead.
Having said that, na same lang sila ng character or pinagdaan, ano yung natutunan mo
Hindi naman po same.
Oh,
Hindi naman same.
yung personality.
Personality.
So, ano yung natutunan mo as Laida na para pag dumaan ka or tinahak mo yung daan na yun is mabago mo na siya or alam mo na as Sarah?
Natutunan ko sa kanya, importante yung pag nagmahal ka, importante na mature ka, nandun yung understanding, at pag nagmahal ka, kasama yung pain, kasama yung joy, yung lahat, kailangan handa kang tanggapin lahat ng yun. And, ano ba? Forgiveness, dun mo malalaman kapag ka talagang mahal mo ang isang tao, kapag ka willing ka mag-forgive. Dun mo malalaman kung gaano ka yung worth ng tao para sa'yo pag kinaya mong magpatawad.
So, pag nadaanan ni Sarah yun, alam mo na.
Oo naman, dinadaanan ko na siya.
Okay. How about John Lloyd? Sa character naman ni Miggy, is there any similarity on John Lloyd itself?
Ako dyan siya umiyak sa question na yun ng press ko niya. Wala. What have you learned from your character?
Hindi ko alam kung intentional, but mula part 1, parang naging organic yung process ng paggawa ng mga pelikula namin. Speak for myself, sige, ako na lang. Talagang naging personal yung journey nung ni Miggy. And to this date, I can very much identify with him sa mga natutunan niya, sa mga pinagdaanan niya, and sa mga, especially itong part 3, especially dito, yung mga sinabi sa akin ng tatay ko in the story. Talagang tumatak talaga siya. Kaya nga, nung natanong nga yan, talagang hindi maiwasan na maging emotional. Saka, plus the fact na, ito na parang ito na yung part 3, malamang ito na yung huli para sa amin ni Lyda. So kasama na yun dun. Parang nahirapan lang din ako parang to disconnect ba. It's like saying goodbye to these characters na nag-exist sa buhay ko for the past how many years. And alam mo naman tayo pag tumabaho dito personal. So hinayaan mo siyang kaya lang naman ako naging emotional noon.
What was your favorite line or scene first?
Alam mo, watch na lang tayo sa March 30.
Thank you.
Sorry, pero yeah.
More questions, please? Ayan, Ate Jo ulit.
Pwede po magtanong kay Ma'am sa writer. How was it, Ma'am Carl, paano po, gano'n po katagal yung na-conceptualize yung how each of the characters evolve from part 2? Gano'n kahirap yung process ng pagsulat sa dito sa part?
Madugo. Sobrang dugo. Nakita ko ni Direk na bumbreakdown. Ilang beses bumibreakdown para mabuo yung kwento. Tinakbo namin kasi 1 year, di ba? Yung para gawin yung movie. Parang ganun din, buong taon namin na chart. Kasi ang hirap dahil may part 1 di ba? 3 pelikula siya So parang ang layo nung pinanggalingan ng character. So parang from part 1, ito-trace mo yun kung saan talaga dadalhin yung character. So sobrang hirap, sobrang dugo kung paano umabot dun sa point ngayon sa part 3. Pero nung natapos, parang everything fell into place. Yun yung ang sarap sa feeling na it fell into place. Lahat ng naging journey ni Miggy, naging journey ni Lyda, hindi conscious, pero it fell into place.
Did you have to consider the actors when writing the script?
Always naman po. Palaging kino-consider yun, yung actors. Kasi part din namin sila di ba? Collaboration din namin, talagang malaki to So, sobrang laking consideration ng actors.
Do they also have special requests?
Hindi special request, pero what I appreciate about John Lloyd and Sarah, I can collaborate with them. We can collaborate with them, kami ni Direk. Parang si John Lloyd especially, dahil ilang beses na kami nagkakatrabaho nila Direk Cathy, palagi naman yun Isa sa mga mamimiss ko sa paggawa ng movie with them, every morning pag may shoot, pinag-uusapan muna namin yung script So may input sila, may input si John Lloyd, and this time talaga ako proud ako si Sarah. Sobra. Na she collaborated with us. So naririnig ko yung thoughts ni Sarah. Ang laking tulong. Kasi since ang ganda diba, dahil 3 movies na, kilala na rin nila yung mga characters nila. Ang laki nung nai-input na nila.
Si Direk po, may tanong po kay Direk. Habang inaamin.
Ang bango. Sorry. Opo.
Si Direk, because you have also other characters in the film. Yung pong also starring sina Altantay. Who among them are new to the sequel? At sino yung mga dati pa?
Si Belle lang po and one office mate na kailangan talaga namin bago. Kailangan hindi siya dating tauhan. And then Belle lang. Silang dalawa lang. All other else are from the movie.
Direct Bell is
Isabel
Daza. And,
Si Belle. Si Belle Daza. Siya yung ka-triangle.
You're good now. I have a question for Miss Carmi kasi it must be real difficult kasi medyo ang trademark ng Cathy Garcia Molina. Iba. Let's face it, iba yung produkto niya, di ba? Alam mo ang tatak Cathy Garcia Molina. Mahirap bang i-adjust?
Sanay na ako sa kanya kasi
so alam mo na ang gusto niya.
Parang nagsimula ako kay Direk Cathy. So parang sanay ako magsulat for her. Parang,
okay.
na minsan nape-predict ko na kung ano i-comment niya sa script, kung ano yung pagtatalunan namin, kung ano yung magugustuhan niya. So, sanay na.
Okay, so sanay na sanay ka kay Direk Cathy. Okay, more questions please. Okay, go ahead.
I'd like to address the question from before. What do you think is a probable reason, since this tackles about relationship, right? So what would be the possible reason for couples to fall apart or to fell out of love, and how would they be able to reconcile or to work things out so that they would be able to sustain a particular relationship? Anyone can answer.
Well, kahit ano pwede gawing dahilan ng couple, no? Anything under the sun kayang pagtalunan. Ako, lalo na ako. I mean, di ba, you can fight over petty things to bigger things, no? It's always up to you what you do after. Kasi you can always close your mind or isara na yung usapan at ayaw na makipagbate at sabihin mas tama ako. But, yun na nga, in keeping a relationship, you always have to think that it takes two to tango. Dalawa kayo. So, hindi pwedeng ikaw laging tama. So, if you want to keep a relationship, there is always that want to compromise, to meet halfway. Hindi lagi ikaw mag-a-adjust, hindi din lagi ang partner mo. Depende, no? So, ganun din dito sa pelikulang to. Actually, dinaanan namin yan. Kami ni Lloydie, actually, yung sinasabi ni Carmi, Lloydie at si Sarah, there was one time, nag-uusap sila, sinali kami sa usapan. It was a talk between that, no? A talk on relationships in general. And isa sa mga yan, kaya nga marami tayong ikikwentong pelikula, isa lang doon ang dinaanan ng pelikulang to. Isa sa mga pinag-aawayan ang dinaanan sa pelikulang to. But in the end, I think it all boils down to being able to forgive mistakes, accept the other party for who he is, and realize that no one is perfect. And people make mistakes and forgive. Yeah.
Napakalaki ng tanong, parang hindi mo, yung emosyon, yung involved, yung tao, mahirap sagutin, pero at least Direk Cathy was able to, share what her sentiments are about relationships. Okay. Sasagot ba si Lloydie o si Sarah? Or you wanna answer?
Nasabi naman na ni Direk.
Napakalalim yung tanong, mahirap talaga, kahit yung reconciliation part ang hirap sagutin.
No, ano na lahat
Diba?
Nasabi niya na naman talaga lahat Yun lang naman talaga yun.
Yun lang talaga.
Hindi ka alam na kwento.
Okay, more questions please? Go. Sige, si Morgan muna.
Email ko naman sa comment.
To Direk and to Miss Carly, did you have any other option for the title? Meron ba kayong ginamit pa na ibang pipili natin, let's use this as the title of our movie? If not, kung wala kayong napili, bakit It Takes a Man and a Woman? Because for me, I find it masyado siyang incomplete for me, the title. So, anong meron sa title na yun na pinili niyo?
Well, when A Very Special Love was parang on its way, no, na ginagawa namin, hindi ko alam kung saan ko to na-chismis. Ako naka-chismis na ito eh. But hindi rin naman ako sure, pero pinanghawakan ko na A Very Special Love, may sumunod talaga sa kanya, which is You Changed My Life. That song, parang You Changed My Life was the answer to A Very Special Love. And so is It Takes. Kaya, You Changed pa lang, alam ko nang It Takes ang part 3. Alam naman kasi naming lahat na may part 3. So, noon pa lang, It Takes na. We were just thinking kung gagamitin yung title ng song o hindi, we'll make a new one. But since ang A Very and You Changed used the title of the song as the title, I think, kaya napuntang title na rin lang. But otherwise, talagang It Takes na po ito. Pati theme song, matagal na po ito. More than, almost 5 years ago na.
So in terms of yung, di ba, feeling mo incomplete yung title. Ako nung una rin parang ano ba yung title na yun? Parang It Takes a Man and a Woman, parang walang pakiramdam, di ba? Pero eventually, na-appreciate ko siya. Especially nung pinakinggan ko na yung lyrics nung kanta. Kasi swak na swak siya dun sa kwento ng dalawa. So parang pag inano mo siya, pag tinignan mo ng maigi, ay, tama yung kanta, ang ganda.
Actually, sakto sa kwento.
Sa
Actually.
kwento.
Mm-mm.